Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday the 23rd. Hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody is safe. And we have today coming from, I believe, Baby Garden on Amazon Prime. Thank you guys. And you guys will get one at low cost. All the information is going to be down below. It's kind of weird, DHL shipped. Don't see them too often. But here we go. If I could open this thing up. Oh boy, here we go. Another box inside of a box. Or a bag. Oh boy. There we go. What is this? What could this be? Nice packaged. Is it a kilo? What is this? Oh man, shoot. There we go. I left my scissors in the other room. So, there we go. Oh boy. What do we have here? Oh, what is this? Come on. Come on. It'll take me like 5 minutes to open. Oh boy. But that's my fault. I don't know where my scissors are. Not almost there, guys. Bear with me. About 2 seconds. It'll be done. Maybe. There we go. Hooray. I did it. Now let me pull these out. Not sure what this is though. Alright, here we go. Now we got the bubble wrap time. Really nice packaging, especially coming from overseas. So I do believe this is from Baby Garden. Man. Oh boy. Dang. Almost there. What is this? I'm curious. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. There we go. Oh, sweet. It is from Ansteker. Ansteker tire inflator. Nice yellow and black and yellow. Cars, basketballs, bikes, floats, rafting, all that good stuff. So of course their link's gonna be down below. And you guys can get it shipped to you in no time. Oh shoot. There we go. Nice little satchel bag. And Ansteker, I think. There we go. Oh, we got some lights. Let me turn this thing on. Here's the pump, the needle. Here's all the good stuff. What we got in here? We got a replacement fuse, cords. Here we go. Power. Shoot. Pretty simple to use. I I gotta do, lay it down like this, and then untangled, get them out. There we go. There we go. Card, cigarette lighter, boom, or cigarette plug, and then there's the hose. Pretty cool. And the needle's right there. And that's about it for today, YouTubers. So check them out down below. Nice LED display, LCD display. And we got the inflator. There we go. Air hose, car plug. Oh, there's a fuse. Tire pressure. See? Lights up and everything. LED light. SOS lighting. Really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night, good morning, and be safe out there. And I'm not sure if I'll see you back tomorrow, but I'll see you the rest of the week. You guys have a good one. Check them out. Awesome deal on these right now. You get it fast shipped to you. Alright, YouTubers. See ya.